Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. Take W3 Wave, it is a platform where you can learn step by step all about the Salesforce application and development. In this tutorial, you will be learn our framework, LWC, Apex Class Trigger, Visual Force, and many more. So now let's get started. In this lesson, we will be learn about how to fetch current record ID and show selected record ID on click button in LWC component. So friends, follow these steps to achieve this scenario. In this lesson, we need to follow. There are three steps to complete the scenario. Step number one, first we will be create lightning app. Here you can see I created custom app, that is my lightning app. In step number two, go to the gear icon. There is an option edit page. Once click on the edit page, where we will be call my LWC component to display on the browser. So this is my LWC component. Here in the LWC component, there is a table. On the right side, there is a button. Once click on the button, the selected record ID of the row will be display bottom of the table. Here you can see, I click on this button, the selected button, that means this row of record. This row of record will be visible on the bottom of the table. So friends, in this lesson, we will be see how to fetch the current record ID of selected row and display the current record ID on the bottom of the table in the LWC component. So now let me jump my Salesforce org where we will be see live demo scenario. So now let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce potential org. I open my LWC component in the Lightning Studio. Here you can see my LWC component name is LWC selected record ID HTML. This is a LWC component. This is a component JavaScript file. This is a style CSS. This is a meta XML and this is a Apex class controller. So now go back on the HTML part. Here you can see first I created lightning card. Inside the lightning card, I created a div. Inside the div, I mentioning a H3 tag. That means it is a heading of the table. How to get the selected record ID on the click button LWC. This is a heading part. Then I created table. This is a TR. This is a table of row. So in the table of row, first I created heading of the table. So here I will be display in the table name, industry, website, type, get record ID. And here you can see I using template. So here you can see I am using template for each. So for each in the data I am using account of data. That means here I am displaying list of record of account using the for each, and I am also using for item. That is the account. One by one, this account item will be visible on the table of data here. So you can see if you are using template for each in the LWC, the key is a mandatory. So first I am using tr key account.id, and in the TD I am calling one by one all of the column of the account. So this is the account name, account industry, account website, and account type. And in the last TD I am creating a button. So once click on this button, this method will be executed, and based on this method, I will be display the selected record ID on the bottom of the table here. So you can see I create another one TR, and inside the TD I am passing the variable that is getting the record ID of selected row and visible on the bottom of the table. So friends, now let me jump to my JavaScript file. Here you can see first I import the controller and method. So this is the name of the controller, this is the name of the method. If you go on the Apex class controller, here you will be find the method name, get account list. This is the account, get account list. I calling, it is a process to import the method. First call the controller, then dot, then pass the method name. So first I import the method name. In the export method, first I created a track variable and passing the variable name, record ID, value, and also I'm using that buyer. Here I'm using that buyer because I am fetching the list of record of account. So based on that calculator, I will be fetch the record of account and display on the LWC component. So this is a adapter account. This is a import method. This is a adapter, and here you can see handle click. So this method I pass out the button click here. You can see at the last of the TD I am creating a button. So on the button I am passing a method handle click. So this method I am creating in the JavaScript here. So when you click on the button, first I will be get the current value. So here I am creating a constant variable. This is a variable name event of target value. So once click on the button, I will be get the current value of the button, and here I am storing the record ID. Record ID value here I am storing that is created in the track variable. This track variable store the current record ID that is getting from the constant variable here. So you can see on the button I am passing a account ID in the value. So here you can see in the value I am passing the account record ID. That means it is a storing record ID of the current row. So from here I am getting the current record ID. So getting the current record ID, first I created a constant variable, that is a variable, and event or targeted value, that means it will store the current record ID on click button. Then this current record ID I am storing to the record ID value. This is a track variable. And this track variable I am passing to the HTML where I want to display the record ID. So here you can see record ID value. Here, this record ID I am passing to the LWC component where I want to display the selected record ID of the row. Now let me go on the meta XML file. Here you can see in the meta XML file I am using the targets and target. So in the target I am mentioning Lightning app, Lightning record page, Lightning home page. That means this LWC component will be visible on the app page, record page and home page. And this is the Apex class controller. So here you can see I created a method. Method name is get account list. And here I am fetching list of the account ID, name, industry, website, type, phone, description from account. Here I am putting limited because there are numbers of record created in the account. So here I am displaying only 10 record. So I am putting a limit here. And after that I am returning the list of record of account. So this method I am putting on the JavaScript here. And based on the click function, I am displaying record of account on LWC component. And here you can see I also created a style CSS table call pad. So here I added a CSS class. You can see in the table I added this class. So in this CSS class I using the background and also using the padding. You can see I am mentioning a background for the table. So this class I adding. So this class CSS property I am adding into the style CSS here. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce code where we will be call this LWC component. So this is my Salesforce credential or first go to the gear icon. There is the option edit page. Edit the page and my LWC component name is LWC selected record ID. So go on the Salesforce and search your component name. LWC selected record ID. This is my LWC component. Simply select and drag and drop here and save the page. Then go back. Here you can see my LWC component visible on the custom app. As per the scenario, once I click on the button, the selected row of the record will be visible on the bottom. So now first let me click here. You can see I click this button. That means I am getting this record of the selected row and display the current record ID on the bottom of the table. Similarly, if I clicking another row of the button, you can see record ID automatically change. That means here I am displaying the selected row of the record on click button. If I click on the button, the selected row of record I am displaying on the bottom of the table. Friends, if you find value in my content, consider making a small donation to support the channel. Friends, as you know, my content is designed to guide you step by step through real world scenarios. I am ensuring, friends, you gain practical and hands-on experience inside the tutorial. Friends, if my video bringing value to your learning journey, consider making a small donation to support the continued creation of high-quality tutorial for you. Your small donation will motivate me to produce even more in-depth content for you. Friends, I would like to a special thank to everyone for a small donation to support the channel. Friends, after making a small donation, please send me your donation screenshot on my email or WhatsApp. I will send you an exclusive ebook bonus gift with advanced sales for tips, tricks, and strategy to take your skill to the next level. So, friends, by donating, you are not just investing in only your own growth, you are contributing to the success of countless other as well. So, friends, here you are thinking after donating what you are will be get bonus as a gift. So now let me explain about what you will be get bonus after donating and support to me. Friends, scan QR code from here and make a small donation to support the channel. After support the channel, please share your screenshot on my email or WhatsApp so that we can send you an exclusive bonus gift on your email. So friends, here you can see I will be sending you bonus gift as two ebook. These are the books you are very powerful in the sales force. First ebook are Master of X Trigger and second ebook are Sales for Tutorial. So friends, both of the ebook published on Amazon. If you check on the Amazon, this is the Apex Trigger and this is a Sales for Tutorial. So friends, the Apex Trigger, the price on the Amazon is 333 rupees and sales for tutorial, the price on Amazon is 199 rupees. So both of the ebook I will provide as a bonus gift after donating and support to this channel. Friends, so these are the ebook you will be get after donating and supporting to the channel. So friends, after donating a small amount to the channel, please share your screenshot on this email ID and you can share your screenshot on WhatsApp on this phone number. So friends, after making a small donation to this channel, I will be share both of the ebook on your email so that you will be get so many tips, trick and strategy in the sales force. So friends, let's grow together, watch, donate and start your journey to get success by today. Friends, if you want to soft copy code of all files, check on description of this video. In the description of this video, I will provide live demo scenarios link so that you can simply copy and paste to create functionality in your personal org. And you will be save lot of time, energy and effort. Friends, you can also schedule a meeting with me. I will provide schedule meeting link in the description of this video. If you are stuck in any kind of issue during development, schedule meeting with me. I will help you to resolve the issue. You will be get schedule meeting link in the description of this video. You can schedule meeting with me as per your availability date and time. Thank you.